single-handedly got the Usos in big trouble here.
And King, what about what we saw before the commercial break? As Bryan goes into the cover, hook to the leg here, and a kickdown. Daniel Bryan attacking the Usos outside the ring.
Yeah, and that's when you could tell they were both hurt. And well, Daniel Bryan wouldn't stop. And Roman Reigns came out there and said, "Hey, come on, guys hurt. Let him get back in the ring. You can't win out here."
Now a moment of truth firing for Roman Reigns. Will he tag in to continue the punishment on his cousins?
Roman Reigns doesn't seem to have any interest in tagging in Daniel Bryan.
I think I read his lips. He said, "Come on, man, that's my cousin."
You know what else is really interesting here? I think now Daniel Bryan, now he's found a sore spot for Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns is a little sensitive to the fact that his cousins are in there. Bryan is enjoying punishing them even more.
Again, this is what King was just talking about. This is what happened before the commercial break.
Yeah. Now watch Roman Reigns as he comes over here. He's going to actually pull his own partner off of his cousin.
He's hurt. What are you doing? He's hurt. We gotta win. You can't win out here.
And now you see Roman Reigns' conscience weighing on him a bit as Daniel Bryan has asked him to tag a couple of times. Reigns does not want to continue the punishment on his cousins.
Yeah, guys, there's two sides to everything, but I see both sides here. I think Daniel Bryan's right.
So it's wrong.
Roman Reigns was right in saying, "Hey, get it back in the ring. You can't win out here."
When was the last time you even saw Roman Reigns show an ounce of compassion for him?
Never. Guys. Tag made. And this was Jimmy Uso now.
Thanks to no tag.
Uh-oh, tag. They made the tag, he's legal. Cross body for the win over Bryan, and Roman Reigns saving the matchup.
All right, okay.
How you doing it?
I was going to say, is Roman Reigns going to show any compassion now? Oh, no!
Searching in the family.
Roman Reigns rolling into harm's way. Daniel Bryan fouls up.
Oh, what's up?
And now Roman Reigns is cooking. He just said to hell with him. And now Bryan and Reigns are cooking.
Now everybody's
Trying to keep up with that.
Daniel Bryan hit his head on the wall.
Now what's Jimmy thinking?
Another good. He's thinking, we'll join this little party outside the ring.
Daniel Bryan runs into a kick to the gut. The Usos looking to put away Bryan and Reigns.
Well, these guys are the tag team champions.
Jay going up top. Jesus. To the gut. Daniel Bryan counters. Yes lock. Yes lock. The yes lock. Tap out. Tap out. Bryan and Reigns win. Tag team turmoil continues. Roman Reigns and Daniel Bryan held on to the hold much too long. More tag teams to come. Who these two face next?
I don't care if it's an arena, if it's back home in Ireland, I love to fight.
Discussion continues between Daniel Bryan and Roman Reigns. And the tag team turmoil continues. Up next, Los Matadores.
Discussion and argument.
Big Show and Kane set up tag team turmoil. Minor Reigns knocked off Miz down, and then the tag team champions, the Usos, up next, Diego Fernando of Los Matadores.
Daniel Bryan and Roman Reigns just had a battle with the tag team champions, and now that door just keeps on revolving.
And King, now the issue is his nerves are frayed between Bryan and Reigns.
Right about that.
Because of the situation with the Usos.
Los Matadores usually a little bit fun, a little more atmosphere when they come out here, but they better get serious quick.
Kane said it. It's about taking advantage. Big Show said it. Seizing the opportunity.
Everyone just sees the opportunity.
Put yourself in the tag team title hunt.
Right about that, because the Matadors and Daniel Bryan and Roman Reigns get through two whale of a battles here. The other thing, the Matadors love it. Up-tempo, big style.
Daniel Bryan and Roman Reigns, who cardiovascularly, point have been strained, especially for that last match, especially if they did now. What kind of place were they in right now?
Daniel Bryan went through last year's wrestling. Triple H, and then he beat Randy Orton and Batista. All in one night.
No. I've seen Daniel Bryan in the same match against the Big Show and Mark Henry.
Don't do it!
It continues. Picture here. What's that door? You got to do that.
That's all night. I think if Daniel Bryan walked on water, Roman Reigns would say, look, you can't swim.
Oh! Matador's fighting out of this.
Oh, missed.
Drop toe hold. Oh, no! No, the bad neck of Daniel Bryan.
Daniel Bryan and Roman Reigns need to somehow get a little more cohesive. They need to start tagging in and out. Keep a fresh man in there. You guys have been through a lot.
May not need it if Daniel Bryan can connect here.
High risk by Daniel Bryan.
Done.
Oh, he's way up there. No!
He's going for it. Yes,
Again, what's going to happen here? Daniel Bryan gets the tap out.
Yeah, that is impressive.
Here we go. And up next, in tag team turmoil, Heath Slater and Titus O'Neil. Slater and the Gator.
Think what a fresh, fired up Titus O'Neil is capable of doing here.
1, 2.
And Daniel Bryan is still in the ring. Roman Reigns. Not anymore. Roman Reigns going to take his turn now. Reigns explaining it. How about you, Daniel? Oh, man.
Ran into his right hand. Whoa! That big right arm of Roman Reigns ran into Heath Slater.
Titus O'Neil driven off the apron.
I think Roman Reigns is on a mission to show. Oh, Daniel Bryan, what he's capable of here.
Daniel Bryan scored 2 victories for the team. Roman Reigns is like, look what I can do.
Uh-oh, Titus O'Neil. Looking right at his partner. That's what I can do. Who's up next for the team of Reigns and Bryan? Tag team turmoil continues on SmackDown.
Love this. 1, 2.
WWE Network is now available in Canada. Get all 12 WWE pay-per-views live, including WrestleMania, Survivor Series, and Royal Rumble. Plus, original series, live in-ring action, and more for only $11.99 a month. Get your WWE fix 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Call your local service provider to subscribe.
A little bit different this time. These guys did not speak one word to each other.
And up next for Reigns and Bryan and tag team turmoil, the Ascension. Oh my God. The upstart tag team of Connor and Victor. They're very vocal about the tag team of the past. No! It's going to be a real test, guys.
This is right down Ascension's alley. They don't back down from anyone. They want to prove to the world they are the past. They are the present. They are the future. You take down Roman Reigns and Daniel Bryan, no matter what the scenario is. That's just a fraud.
You know, Byron, I saw the look in the eyes of the Ascension when Kane and Big Show were pumping these guys up. These guys were really taking it to heart. They're going to be like unleashing two dogs here on Roman Reigns and Daniel Bryan. Look out here.
And Daniel Bryan starting things off against Victor of the Ascension. The Ascension only victories over the New Age Outlaws and Golden Stardust in recent weeks.
Reigns and Daniel Bryan, they just have to be exhausted at this point. Are you kidding me?
Oh, you're talking Miz and Miz down. You're talking the Usos, Los Matadors.
Later Gator.
There you go, now the Ascension.
I thought we'd be hanging out like a red necktie. Been in there this long.
And right now, perhaps Daniel Bryan showing, I was going to say signs of wear and tear, but Bryan fighting out of the corner now.
Got to show some heart. Got to show some fight here. Bryan with those trademark yes kicks. Oh!
And now, and Connor just beating the heck out of Daniel Bryan out here in front of us. And Victor as well. And here comes Roman Reigns.
Let's break it down now.
Now the double team on Roman Reigns.
Nothing is what it is.
It is. Roman Reigns trying to hold his own.
Well, the Ascension had any designs on worrying about the matchup or just hurting these two guys.
I think you're seeing the result. The Ascension trying to beat any hope out of
Roman Reigns over our table onto the floor. All right, I think you're right about the Ascension. They're just out here to try to hurt somebody to impress the authority.
The Ascension is hungry to prove something and do so at the expense of Roman Reigns and Daniel Bryan.
Come on, guys, back there.
Watch out. Watch yourself.
This way. Guys, that's it. I got it.
Oh, my God. Roman Reigns sent head first into the ring post. That's the referee.
I'm not sure what the...
Guys, Roman Reigns has just been left laying out here.
Oh, what's... Oh, they're the official here. Hold on. This...
It's insane. I think the Ascension is taking this flag.
Whatever it is, I don't think they care.
Now they turn their attack once again to Roman Reigns. Hell is broken loose out here.
Turmoil, the officials trying to explain to the Ascension. This match is over. They don't care. You're disqualified.
They're here to hurt Reigns and Bryan and hurt bad.
They can try to make a statement at all costs.
You gotta wonder if this is done by design.
But that wasn't this was.
Standing over 7 feet tall, weighing in at 450 pounds, the world's largest athlete, The Big Show.
And we can now confirm that the Ascension's been disqualified. The tag team turmoil is continuing.
Oh my.
And we can tell you, Big Show and Kane are the next opponents. Roman Reigns and Daniel Bryan can't even make it back to their feet, and now they've got to take on Big Show and Kane. Now you can't tell me the fix isn't in.
How low will the authorities stoop?
Can Reigns and Bryan somehow even make it back to their feet for this match?
You have to believe in miracles.